Exploring the DopeScope, a comprehensive cybersecurity tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be providing a comprehensive cybersecurity tutorial exploring the DopeScope. Ever wondered how hackers see your network or how to protect yourself from their prying eyes? Buckle up because we're diving deep into the world of network analysis with Wireshark, the DopeScope of cybersecurity. Wireshark is a free and open-source network protocol analyzer. Think of it as a microscope for your network traffic. It captures and analyzes data packets, allowing you to see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Understanding Wireshark is crucial for anyone interested in cybersecurity. It empowers you to troubleshoot network issues, identify security vulnerabilities, and even learn how attackers operate. First things first, let's get Wireshark installed. Head over to wireshark.org and download the appropriate version for your operating system. The installation process is straightforward, just follow the prompts. Once installed, you might need to configure Wireshark to capture traffic on your network interface. This usually involves selecting the correct network adapter from the capture options. Now for the fun part, capturing packets. Select your network interface and click the Start Capturing Packets button, the shark fin icon. You'll immediately see a stream of data flowing across your screen. Don't be intimidated by the sheer volume of information. We'll break it down step by step. Think of it as learning a new language, one packet at a time. The Wireshark interface is divided into three main sections. The Packet List pane shows a summary of each captured packet. The Packet Details pane displays the selected packet's information in a hierarchical format. Finally, the Packet Bytes pane shows the raw data of the packet in hexadecimal and ASCII. Each section provides a different perspective on the captured data. Wireshark's filtering capabilities are its superpower. You can use filters to isolate specific types of traffic, such as HTTP, DNS, or even traffic from a particular IP address. For example, typing HTTP in the filter bar will only show HTTP traffic. This allows you to focus on the data you're interested in and ignore the noise. Let's look at some practical examples. We can use Wireshark to identify unencrypted passwords being transmitted over HTTP. This is a major security risk. We can also detect suspicious network activity such as unusual connections or large data transfers. These could be signs of malware or a data breach. Wireshark is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone interested in cybersecurity. It allows you to see what's happening on your network and identify potential security threats. Now it's your turn. Download Wireshark, experiment with capturing and filtering traffic, and start exploring the world of network analysis. To deepen your knowledge, check out our advanced Wireshark course linked in the description below. Also, subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tutorials and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Stay safe and happy analyzing.